Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore backup and how to transfer data on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Alright, so let's begin. As a first method, I'll show you how to transfer data from your old device into your HUAWEI. As a second method, I'll show you how to restore from the HUAWEI Cloud, then how to restore from the external storage drive, and as a last method, I'll show you how to restore from the HUAWEI HiSuite app. So first let's select our language, then click on Get Started. Now select your region and click on Continue. Now click on Agree. If you want, you can insert your SIM card right now. I'm going to skip it. Now we can connect into the network, so that's what I'm going to do right now. Let me quickly type the password, then click on Connect. Okay, once we have connected, let's click on Continue. Click on Continue again. If you want, you can now set the fingerprint, ID, face recognition and lock screen password. It's not necessary, you can always set it later. If you want, you can also enable the parental control. And now we have the HUAWEI ID. Let's click on Continue. We can log in right now or do it later in the settings. So it's completely up to you. So let's click on that, we do it later. In here, click Next. In here, I'm going to enable all services. I'm going to join the program. If you want, you can share with the analytics. It's completely up to you. I'm going to enable the location services. And now we have option to restore from HUAWEI Cloud or to move data from another device. So let's select the another device first. Let's click on Agree. Select all device type as, in my case, other Android. And now we need to scan this QR code using our old device. So let me do it real quick. Open up your phone app and scan this code. Okay. Now we need to download this app. Okay, we need to also allow from this source to be downloaded. Let me click on again, click on download, click on download anyway. Okay, it has been downloaded. Click on open, click on install, and click on open. Okay, click on agree, click on OK, select this is all device, click on the settings, select to use the location. Now again, click on this is the old device, click on allow, allow, click on OK, click on allow. While using the app, click on allow. Again, while using the app, click on next. Now click on next in here, click on allow while in use, and allow for everything. And now we need to scan this QR code. Okay, both devices are being connected to each other, so that's good. Click on connect. Okay, connection successful. Okay, we can see now on our HUAWEI that everything is fine. In here we can click on allow, and now we need to select what we want to copy. So let's say I want everything except messages. I want my gallery items and my apps. Now click on transfer. Okay, now the process is running. So now we need to wait until our phone receives our data. So we need to wait a few minutes, up to a few minutes. Okay, transfer has been completed. In here, we can click on install, click on next, click on agree, and now we can click on finish. Okay, now select your navigation method. I'll just leave the gestures, click on finish. If you want, you can download some of those apps in here. I don't want any of it. Click on next. Okay. And now we should be ready to use our device. Okay, click on try now. And now we are ready to use our device. And you can also see that the apps has been successfully transferred into our Huawei. Okay, so now as a second method, I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Huawei ID. Okay, so now I'll show you how to restore the backup from the Huawei ID. We need to open up our settings first, and we need to begin with logging up into our Huawei ID. Also, if you don't know how to create all that kinds of backups on your device, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to do it. So if you want, you can look for it. So now I'll log in and I'll show you the next steps. Okay, so I just logged in into the Huawei. Now let's click on Cloud. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Okay. And here we have simply select the backup of your Huawei. It's right in here under the Cloud backup. Click on that, and now click on. Actually, I wanted to restore, not to create a backup. Okay, now click on manage backup data. Sorry, my bad. And now click on restore data in here above. And in here we have our latest backups. Simply select the one that you're interested in. Click on it. It also needs to update the backup service, so we need to wait a few seconds. And now we need to select data to restore. In my case, I'm going to select everything and click on restore. Click on restore again. And click on OK. And now the process has started, as you can see. So I'll see you once we get 100%. Okay, and now everything has been successfully restored. Now click on OK. And now everything is fine. Okay, so that was the second method, yeah. And now I'll show you how to do it using the external storage drive. Okay, so now to restore the backup using the external storage drive. First, let's open up the settings. Let's scroll down. Let's click on System and Updates, Backup and Restore, and click on Data Backup in here above. And now let's connect our external storage drive. So simply plug it into your Huawei. Okay, now click on external storage, click on allow, and allow. Click on OK. Now select USB storage, and now select restore from backup and select the backup that you have made earlier. Okay, again, I'm reminding you, if you don't know how to create all that backups, on our channel there's a video how to do it step by step. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, now select what you want to restore, then click on the button below, and now you need to enter your password. I mean the password that you have created before you created a backup, because before you do it, you need to create a password to your backup. So I'm going to simply type the password that I have created, then click on OK, and now the process has started. It's not going to take long because I didn't back up many things. We're almost at 99%. Okay, restart complete. Complete item 6. we can click on done, boom, everything went fine. Okay, and the last thing, last method, I'll show you how to restore from HUAWEI HiSuite, but we need a PC or laptop to do it. So I'll see you on my computer. Okay, so now we are on the PC, and now we need to download the Honor Suite app. To do it, we need to open up the browser, type HUAWEI HiSuite, just like that, then click on the first link from the official HUAWEI page, and if you are using the Windows, click on Windows, and if you are using the Mac, click on Mac, which is next to it, but you cannot see it through because of the camera. Well, it's next to it. Okay, once you have downloaded your app, you need to install it. I have it on my PC. It looks like that. And now we need to connect our phone into PC using the USB-C cable. So we need to do it. Okay, and now we need to select on our HUAWEI to transfer files. Now on the PC, we need to click on USB. Now click on Next. In my case, it's in the Polish language, but I don't know why I cannot change it, so it needs to be in Polish, but I'll translate for you. And now we need to open up the search bar, and we need to type HDB. Oh, sorry, not in here. My bad. Perform that move, that kind of move, just like that, and type HD. Click on Agree first. HDB, and click Allow connection via HDB. Okay, and I'll select Allow connection via HDB. Okay, now you can see that on our app and on our device a question appeared. So let's click on OK on our device first. Okay, now we can see that on the app we have an information that the HUAWEI HiSuite app will be installed on our HUAWEI. We need to click on OK. Now we need to wait a few seconds. Okay, now click on Agree. Now we need to click on Allow for everything, and now we need to type this code in our app. Okay, now click on Connect. And now we have our HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. And now, to restore the backup, select this option. That's a restore in English. Click on OK. Now on our device, we need to click on Allow. Click on OK. Click on Restore. Click on OK. Now we need to wait a few seconds. And something doesn't want to work, I don't know why. So just give me a second. Okay, I just restarted my app and now it's everything fine. Now it appears, my backup. So now select what you want to restore. Now click on this blue button, Restore. Now type your password, because you need to create a password if you're creating a backup before. Click on OK. And now the process will start. In my case, it's not going to take long because there's no a lot of things that has been backupped. So let's simply wait until everything gets restored. Alright, everything has been successfully restored. Click on ready. And now we can even unplug our cable from our device. Everything has been successfully restored. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.